Hi everyone, so this is going to be a mukbang eating session on this channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. What are we having, Andrew?
We're having guacamole, rice, and broccoli with tortilla chips.
So we're doing like a little homemade Chipotle, but our way. Okay, so
Homemade.
like you said, broccoli. I put some celery and some brown rice. You can put some lime in there, and the meat of whatever you want. Okay, so let's get eating and dig in, shall we?
All right.
Let's get into it.
You got it.
All right. So,
Look at this broccoli.
I hope you guys are doing okay.
Fresh broccoli.
We've been doing okay.
We have.
Not gonna lie to you, we've been working very hard.
Very hard.
Barely getting
Any rest?
sleep, but we do sleep, but barely getting it. We don't sleep typical hours. We really don't sleep typical hours.
We don't.
But we do get 8 hours a day.
To the best of our ability, you know. These corn chips.
And this is the brand that we have.
Tortilla chips are good.
So, it's organic sea salt that and crispy. And it's Latte July.
Latte.
Latte or late July. Ooh,
Okay.
I'm speaking other languages. It just says
Latte?
late July. July.
That is. Homemade guacamole. Oh yeah, we made this at home. And guacamole is not that difficult to make.
I actually have a video on how I make my guacamole
Mm-hmm.
right on this channel. I'll link it in the description.
Homemade guacamole.
But in the summertime, usually avocados are much cheaper.
Mm-hmm.
Unfortunately, you can't freeze avocados. Oh, if I could, I would. I would buy them all up in the summertime and freeze them. But unfortunately, you can't do that. But just basically in the summertime, enjoy all of your guacamole and all that, and your avocados. And maybe save for that time when, you know, avocados are $2 a piece.
Can you freeze them?
I just said you can't freeze them.
Oh, okay. Okay, you can't freeze them. But you said save.
Yeah, save your money, you know, so you can always have fresh guacamole or avocados throughout the year. Because they're really good. They have fatty acids or omega-3s and all of that. And there's vitamin E in it as well. So it's really good for you. I watch a lot of these videos and also read the comments. And I'm understanding that a lot of people do not like when you smack. And when you talk with your food full, they don't want to see your food in your mouth. So the way you do that, the way I do it and talk, I do it like a chipmunk. I put the food in the pocket of my mouth, like right here, the pocket of my cheek. So I have food in my mouth, but you really can't see it. It's a little trick. Because, you know, you want to talk. You don't just want to... This isn't an ASMR or anything like that where you're just, you know, chewing and all that. And we ain't even got that type of equipment. We just regular folks just trying to do a little something, you know. But we want to talk, you know. But nobody who's viewing your videos wants to see your food. So that's how you do it.
And sometimes
But you gotta have fat cheeks like me.
So you can stuff it
I
into
got
the
extra
bottom.
compartments, just like a chipmunk. So I can do it.
I wonder if I could do that. Let me see. Hold on.
In fact, you used to call me chipmunk.
I did.
You darn near missed your whole mouth.
I did. Okay, let's see if I can do it.
You
You
don't
can
really,
see it right here.
you don't really have cheeks.
But you do. This is a good way to start your day with some veggies.
Guys,
Broccoli full of calcium.
y'all should give me some ideas on what I should do with my nails next. Leave it in the comments.
She's always looking for ideas for her nails.
I'm running out. I think I've had every design you can think of. But then again, no, I haven't. That's not even possible.
Encyclopedia of nails.
Alright. Let me lean on you, sweetie.
Well, this is my eat ham. I can't.
We are in here like sardines. I'm not going to even sit here. You probably can tell. I'm sorry, but you got to start somewhere.
I'm going to have to be like ambidextrous. I'm going to use my left hand.
You never want to wait until everything's perfect. You might be 90 by that time, and it'll be too late. So when you want to get something started, just get it started.
Let's
Whatever. Get it started. Like this YouTube thing, y'all. We've been struggling at it for a long time, but we watch YouTube videos. We've been doing videos for a long time, but making videos versus making live videos are totally different.
Totally different.
And I'm sorry it looks like I'm looking up, but it's the way my camera is. I want to look straight at you guys, but my camera won't allow me to do that.
This guacamole is on point. Have you guys ever tried to make homemade guacamole? Or try to make guacamole? How did it turn out for you? Was it a success or was it a fail?
Leave in the comments. Oh. I know y'all probably like, did she put onions in it? I sure did. I sure did.
She put onions in everything.
I put onions in everything.
Look at this onion, guys.
And that's probably why I don't have a lot of colds. And you don't either, because you benefit because we eat onions every day.
We do. We eat onions every day.
And another thing, onions stretch things out. You know, if you eat Chinese food, well, I'm a person who say put extra onions in it. But you know how you can get your egg foo young, or you can get your beef and broccoli. It's always these big, huge chunks of onions. It's good for you, but let's just keep it real. It stretches the food out.
They put the whole onion in it.
It stretches food out. So, there you go.
Refreshing.
So if you don't want to eat a whole bunch of carbs or whatever, or bad things, stretch it out with your onions. And you're getting benefits from onions. Onions is in the garlic family, so it helps with your blood pressure, helps with your skin, it helps with just your whole body. Circulation. On this channel, we eat for health. So we will tell you the benefits of what we eat, like celery. I put celery in here too. If you like salt but don't want to put a whole bunch of salt, use celery. Celery has natural salt in it. It will season your food. You won't have to have a whole bunch of that table salt, which I don't suggest you do. And it also has magnesium in it, which is something that we as humans nowadays, we don't get a lot of magnesium. So that's why people have a lot of sleep disorders, because your magnesium is low. So there you go. And if you want to get more information on different things like, you know, the different issues that you may have, like diabetes, hypertension, all that, please email me. I'll leave my email down in the description box. Email me and become a client of mine, because I am a holistic counselor. Email me and we can get this thing together, okay? Through food. I'm not a doctor, but I am a holistic counselor. So basically what we do is we spark your body to be, you know, kicked in naturally. Along with your doctor, you guys can do it.
This is really good.
What's so fab about it?
You season the heck out of the meat in here. I mean, it's really good.
The meat that we're eating, we're not even going to tell you guys.
Nope.
Want nobody coming for us?
I mean, that's what's awesome.
I'm probably like, why did you say that? I don't want to. Nothing like homemade
not frozen. This is fresh. Seasoned just the way you like it. I mean, it's awesome. You can't ask for more. Filtered water. Refreshing.
This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
I hope I can finish this. I'm not sure if I can.
You don't think you can? We're gonna try, guys.
And I'm drinking green tea mixed with water.
Sometimes you can flavor your water, you know, with different things. She uses green tea sometimes. Oh, thank you. You're a lifesaver. Tortilla chips. Give me some crunch in here.
I'm sorry, guys. I have to.
We're working.
Answer this.
Look at this chip. Tortilla. Tortilla, tortilla. I don't know if you guys have done this, but when we go to Chipotle, we get the chips. So we're trying to recapture that Chipotle taste at home. So if you want to have this morning, noon, or night, you know, make it yourself. Make sure you get the chips with it.
Yeah, that tortilla chips are really, really good.
They are.
But you have to make sure they're not stale. Sometimes they're stale.
So we tried to find, excuse me. We tried to find tortilla chips that are like the ones at Chipotle. So we had to search for it. Okay? We searched high and low for these chips. But the results did not end up fruitless. We found chips that were organic. That's right, they're organic, guys. These are non-GMO tortilla chips. Organic, sea salt, thin and crispy, restaurant style tortilla chips. And they're called Late July's Snack, I believe. Yeah, here we go. Let's see if you guys can see that. You know, I ripped into the bag. Andrew, sorry. But they're called Late July tortilla chips. Hope this helped you guys out. So I would find that in the store. And they have a nice crunch to them. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's a nice crunch to it, and it adds something to our meal. The rice and the guacamole, they have the salt and the crunchy texture. That's good. Oh, I got a big chip. Look at this one, guys. This one's pretty big. So you can have some kind of... Look how big this chip is. It's huge. Do you have any more guacamole left? No? Okay. Alright.
These vegetables are just so good. And sometimes when you're living a very fast life, you forget your vegetables. You can't forget your vegetables, y'all. Gotta eat them at least once a day. I mean, and try to get your whole servings in at once.
I'm almost done. I'm gonna scoop mine out. So I had that crunchiness with it.
A lady always leaves something back. Sorry.
For me. You fall?
I'm not full, I'm content.
You're content. There's a difference, right?
Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in and watching this, guys. I hope you enjoyed. We'll try to do more little eating shows like this to encourage you guys to eat healthy. And see you next time.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.